Rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy. Filing for bankruptcy can be a tough decision, but it also gives you a chance for a fresh beginning. Once your bankruptcy is discharged, the journey to rebuild your credit begins. Although it can feel overwhelming to figure out where to start, it's not as difficult as it may seem. In this video, we will walk through 4 simple steps to kickstart your credit recovery journey. Step 1. Get a copy of your credit report. You're entitled to a free annual report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus most used by lenders. You can get all 3 from annualcreditreport.com. When you receive them, check for any mistakes in your personal and employment information. Also, make sure all the creditors included in your bankruptcy are correctly indicated. Challenge any errors you find with the credit agencies. Having accurate credit reports is crucial as you rebuild your credit. Your credit report will also detail your bankruptcy-related debts. Those filed under Chapter 7 will be marked as discharged and will stay on your report for 10 years. The debts filed under Chapter 13 will be noted as part of a payment plan and will stay on your report for 7 years after they are settled. But here's the good news. You don't have to wait for 7 or 10 years to pass to begin your new credit journey. You can start rebuilding your credit right after your Chapter 7 bankruptcy is discharged or during the repayment period for Chapter 13. Step 2. The most important step in rebuilding your credit is establishing new credit. I know what you're thinking. You just got out of credit trouble and you don't want to get back in. But take my word, this is what you need to do to get on the right track. After your bankruptcy, you also may think you can't get new credit or that it's best to avoid credit altogether. But it's better to start the rebuilding process immediately, but slowly. Start with getting a secured credit card, which requires a deposit to establish your credit limit. Some cards need as little as $200 to open. Once you've got the card, make small purchases, pay the balance in full by the due date, or make sure your monthly payments are made on time. Keep your balance below 30% of your credit limit. When you pay off the credit card, your credit score will gradually increase and show you can responsibly handle your credit. Step 3. The third step is to diversify your credit mix. Within a year, you should have established good credit habits with your secured credit card. Now it's time to add different types of credit, like a car loan, a non-secured credit card, or a small line of credit. Within 2 years after your bankruptcy and practicing good credit habits with the diversified credit mix, the lenders will see that you are able to manage different types of credit accounts successfully. But be aware, the new credit will come with high interest rates. Step 4. This step reminds you to keep a watchful eye on your credit report regularly to ensure accuracy and prevent the reappearance of discharged items. Sometimes, a discharged credit line will reappear on your report, often put there by collection agencies that acquired your debt from the original creditor. If you find a credit line that was part of your bankruptcy, dispute it with the credit reporting agencies and provide a copy of your discharge papers as proof. Finally, rebuilding credit after bankruptcy isn't impossible. It demands patience, diligence, and a commitment to responsible credit behavior. By establishing new credit, diversifying your credit mix, making on-time payments, and keeping your balance low, you can embark on the path to credit recovery and significantly enhance your financial future. Stay committed, and you'll steadily earn a better credit history. For more credit repair insights, subscribe to my channel, check out my videos, and grab a copy of my book at creditruin2creditworthy.com.